Yeah, man, some jerk chicken live in action. I go on,
Yes.
set up on the grill, you know.
You see it, that's how we do it. You see it. That's how we do it from scratch.
From
No
scratch.
plastic, nothing. And I said, a fishnet lab, this will come out of. And I look for pharmaceutical, nothing. See it there, the sauce, this is the wickedest jerk sauce. This. The wickedest jerk sauce, this. We produce them things there, fishnet live. Live and direct on our watch and on a piece and on tape and cassette, live things are going. That's it. And I can't see it and I forget to the taste.
Oh, you say some man want to use grill in the summer?
You see it, man? You see it? I run this year round.
You say year round?
I run with it.
No, man, we don't work with season.
That's it.
I straight round.
And I see the smoke, you know, I did a aroma that, you know. And I see if you don't set up a thing on, I can smell you over the video. Yo! Yo, and the wickedest aroma, this will come off, man. I said, oh, 2011, man, you know, can smell it. Same way. You know what I mean? A fishnet. Yeah, man, we have broke technology, man. In a food and in a everything, a fishnet.
In everything?
In everything, knows why. You're a branch out, man. Believe me, man. Remember me telling you that from video, man. 2011, you know, can't smell it. Same way I look on it and I smell it. Same way. A fishnet I do it. A live thing this. Live in living colors, you know what?
I want a live sitting, man.
I see it. And man, you taste them sauce, yeah. How wickedest thing this, man. You know, you hear that? No, you not tell you no. Yes.
What do you hear about?
Yes. I think I must have, I must have. I real thing I'm going to fishnet, man. Real thing, road boy, want to come to us and taste it. And I just look on it, man, to come taste it. And I said, a natural things we are dealing with right now. Long-term food is. This is not a quick snack and thing, a long-term food. And you eat them food here, it's staying on you. And I mean a fishnet. Tell somebody.
Once more.
Yeah, you see it back.
Once more again. Oh man, a real sitting man.
Yeah, do them, man.
A real sitting man.
Because some man, see it here now. Watch me now. You see all them aroma here, man. Look man, you can't smell it over my camera, man. And that's it. Because some man.
Yeah man, the same that travel.
You see it? Look man, you can't smell it over the camera road boy. A fishnet I do it. I will bust them thing there. 2011, live. Write it on the calendar. It's not going in live 2011, you can't taste it over the camera.
I will say so first.
Yeah, alright. Let them know ya man, because them feel I don't talk that talk. I will say so. Anyway, I don't hear that. I will say so. Now,
see
and
that.
the guy, see the wickedest sauce this. And the wickedest jerk sauce this. This is not plastic nothing. Now we make this. A fishnet alone.
Oh, is that a Grace product?
No, no, I don't know McDonald's and none of them. Plastic thing. A live thing, sit here. Jerk chicken, fried plantain, the best rice and peas bout here. In a South Jamaica, bout in a New York. Sit here, a fishnet.
Straight like that.
Representing. Fishnet, representing, live and direct. And the salad never pan yet. So nobody piece you finish this yet. Me just
Oh, you say enough in a done? Not to mention the porridge we're marvelous. Not to... Nah man, not too much things are going on, but right now just a quick preview still, you know, cause enough things are come up daily.
I got salad this. Yeah man.
What is that, the garden salad?
Yeah man, we serve a steamed vegetable but the garden salad this. Look on it. See the colors. And that we are dealing. You see
Straight like that man.
Yeah man.
Proper sort out that good.
It. That's how we are doing it, man. And I tell somebody, yeah.
Yeah man, when I start tell people, cause it's a start without a start. It's a start to a new start.
A fishnet man. 19009 Linden. Tell somebody. Fishnet.
Delivery available same way.
Oh God.
So can't lose.
Like that. A fishnet.
Just a little quick food for eat and go on, you know. 718-527-0262.
You want meal, you want catering, you want just kick back and get some fish soup, you want the wickedest porridge make on the planet a Fishnet. Fishnet, original Fishnet. Real. Tell somebody, man. And I said, can Europe where I go next year? Live.
Everything a joke thing. Can show them what go on still in a car. You don't know. Stew chicken, everything, peanut porridge. The whole works. Straight like that. Cut.